Hi guys, the Kitchen Fairy here, and for today's vlog, recipe vlog, I have a very simple dish with red kidney bean and rice. So basically bean and rice. This is my oldest son's favorite food. He really likes this food. He can eat plates and plates when I make this food. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! Saute 2 tablespoons unsalted butter with quarter cup of diced onion. These are frozen diced onion, and 1 garlic that I sliced thinly. So we're just gonna saute until butter melted and everything fragrant. Still a chunk there. Once it's soft and fragrant, we're gonna add our beef sausage. This is about 3 handful of ready-to-use beef sausage for pizza topping. You can use chicken, ground beef, sausage, wieners, what have you, up to you. And 1 beaten egg, just scramble it there. Now we're gonna add in our rice. So the rice is enough for 2 plates or 2 plates worth of rice, and then 1 can of red kidney beans that you need to rinse first, like totally rinse, and then about half tin of peaches corn, which is a sweet corn, and then also giant peas, and you just want to mix them properly before you season it. Add about 2 tablespoons of beef liquid base with a little bit of water just to dilute it, and also season it with cumin powder. Also give a little bit of white pepper powder and sweet paprika powder. Now your bean and rice is done.